If you were trying to manage every social media account, reply to every customer message, and track everything people are saying about your brand from one place, then Sprinklr might look like the ultimate all-in-one tool in 2026. But the real question is, how do you actually use it without getting overwhelmed? And is it really worth it? Sprinklr is a powerful social media management and customer experience platform designed for large businesses, and it lets you schedule posts, manage messages, track analytics, and monitor brand mentions across more than 30 channels like Instagram, Facebook, X, TikTok, Reddit, and many others, all inside a single dashboard. When you first log in, the main idea is that everything is organized into modules where you can create posts for multiple platforms at once, build a unified inbox to reply to comments and DMs, and use analytics dashboards to see how your content is performing in real time across all channels. One of the biggest strengths users always mention is how powerful the system becomes once it is set up properly, because it can handle massive amounts of data, support large teams working together, and give very detailed reports that help enterprise companies make decisions at scale, especially with its social listening and customer experience tools that track what people are saying about a brand across the internet. But when we look at real user feedback, there are also important downsides you need to know, because many people say Sprinklr has a very steep learning curve, meaning it takes a lot of time and training before you actually feel comfortable using it, and the interface can feel complex or overwhelming at first, especially if you are new to social media tools. Another common point from reviews is the price, because Sprinklr is built for enterprise companies, not small creators or beginners, and it can become very expensive depending on the size of your team, which is why many users say it only makes sense if you are managing large-scale operations. Some users also mention that while the tool is powerful, it can feel heavy at times, with too many features and settings that are not always easy to navigate without proper onboarding. So the honest truth is that Sprinklr is not just a simple social media scheduler. It is more like a full command center for enterprise marketing and customer experience. And if you are a big brand or agency handling thousands of interactions daily, it can be extremely powerful. But if you are a beginner, small business owner, or solo creator, it will likely feel too complex and too expensive for your needs. So in 2026, Sprinklr is best understood as a top-tier enterprise platform that gives you everything in one place, but only if you are ready for the learning curve and the budget that comes with it. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like and subscribe, because I will be breaking down more AI and marketing tools just like this one.